Hi guys, this is Kapil from couponsathi.com and we are going to unbox Bajaj Flora Instant Water Heater. I ordered this from Amazon and got a good deal in Amazon Great Indian Festival sale. It costed me around 2,700 rupees. It is a 3-liter water heater and it is from Bajaj, a good reputed brand. Its capacity of this water heater is 3 liters, and you get around 5 years of warranty on inner tank and 2 years of warranty. Uh, so it's a very good product from Bajaj. I have read some very good reviews about it. So just start with unboxing of this product. Okay. Right, so inside this box we directly have water heater here. So I just removed this water heater from box, and inside box you have a warranty card and nothing, and some screws. And nothing much. So this is the product. This is Flora, Bajaj Flora 3-liter water heater. So this is the product, and you will have to get you will have to get pin for this, and also for you will also need to get pipes from outside to connect this. For installation, you can get it done from any local electrician. So that's it. This is all about Bajaj Flora 3-liter instant water heater. See you again. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. See ya.